How to change theme to dark mode on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change theme to dark mode on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then click these 3 points in the top corner, and here just click settings, and here you will find account, and then click not account, click chats, and here you will find this one here, theme. Click on it and select dark and click OK, and that's it as you see. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.